Everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have.
Alright guys, we have to get this axle loose. Hopefully that's the right size. Hopefully. We're gonna have to get something and pry that shit off. I don't know why the axle flanges are getting stuck to it, so a few little taps will go ahead and free those up, guys. Some of these stuff are like super greasy, guys. That's all I was saying. That's all. Look like the axle bolt ripped at one point, because that piece is super greasy. Let me go ahead and just throw it up from underneath the car. Pipe in both, the dump pipe right there, and both axles on both sides are now disconnected. If you guys look, the axles over there is disconnected and the axles on this side is disconnected. So the only thing that's left to pull this engine out is just you gotta get both clips out of there. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop that one loose. And then we have one more on this side that we have to pop loose. Alright. Just be real gentle with these. There you go. I got one of them loose already. Be real gentle with them, because they break easily, guys. There you go. That one have coolant in there. Huh? Yeah, facts, bro. I'm trying to get this engine out. Oh, you dead ass? Dead ass, bro. I started since morning. Like 2 hours ago. No. This is my. You remember the great car we dropped here? Yes, for that car. Yeah, and we're gonna scrap this, part it out, see if we can make a little bit money off it, and then just junk it. This is just a parts part. That's why I pulled it with the wheels still on, so the street got to sleep, I can still pull it in. I told the nigga like, yo, I'm gonna need the keys, you gotta bring me that shit. Without the keys, I can't move it, it's still gonna lock up, you know what I mean? He said I'm crazy. You tired? We're going party. Trying to take this shit out, bro.
Oh, well. Yeah, I see what the long time.
Yeah, I came out this morning.
From morning?
Yeah, I've been here since morning.
Yeah, this one will come in still.
Pulling this shit right out, bro. Take it to the
More
backyard.
550. How much is that?
Man, you was up late then.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a menace, bro.
My boy.
Yeah, bro, don't touch me. I'm mad dirty. You gonna get grease everywhere.
Long time no
Wait up. Bro, I think I just caught that on camera, bro. Dead ass, bro. YouTube videos. Alright guys, so let me update you guys real quick. If you guys look, we got the engine completely out and it's sitting in the backyard. So I just got to put it on the engine stand, dismantle it a little bit, and then take off the transmission. Once you get the transmission off, we should be able to just free up all the wiring, etc., and then we should be good from there. I'm gonna cover this so no water get in the turbo at all, because we're just gonna have this engine on the stand for now till we actually figure out what we're gonna do with the other one. So we gotta take the cylinder head off that one, but we're gonna start taking this one apart first. Like, we're gonna take the cylinder head off, take off a few other extra parts. The turbo we're gonna keep, this trans we're gonna keep, all the hoses and stuff. We need brand new hoses and everything like that, because we don't want no leaks on these cars. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. We gotta just take off a few other extra components, and once we get those off, we should be in good shape. But look who this motor was tuned by, guys. This motor was tuned by Trent. Look at it, guys. This motor was actually tuned by Trent, guys. That's crazy. So this ECU is actually good. We're probably gonna swap it out once we get everything in that car, upgrade the fuel, a high pressure fuel pump, etc. Once we upgrade all those stuff, we just gonna drop this ECU in there and it should be good to go. But that's it for today, guys. If you guys like video like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.